update. This is an important coding because how do you feel about change? How do you manage when something comes to your life and moves everything around you, shakes you? Like, how do you feel about change? Because sometimes we have memories, conscious memories from our subconscious mind, in which we are having issues to manage change. Something awful happened, someone died, and we have memories about someone we lost it. Sometimes we remember a pet, we lost it, for example. And we are taking this memory and comparing this memory with your purpose now. And for your mind, there is no distinction between one information and another. There is no distinction between this memory and today, present. So this is your opportunity to allow evolution in your life and know that something that happened in the past is not the same now. And you are a different person. You are not your parents. You are not your grandmother, your grandfather. You are not your brother. You are you. And you also can say, now is a new day. And I know great things and situations are coming for my life. I know it. I only expect good. I only expect beautiful things. And I allow myself to evolve, to change, and to grow. See you in the next code. Thank you.